Log in to Pickcel's console. Go to Apps and search for Menu. Click on Digital Menu Board. Now click on Create Your Own Design. Click on Import Data. Sign in to your Square account, where you have your data. Your data from the Square account will be imported to the Menu app. You can see all the data here, category-wise. To give it a design, click on the Settings icon and choose any template of your choice. Here, you can customize it based on the various available parameters. Then click on the Preview icon to see how it will appear. Once you're satisfied, click on Apply. Give your design a name, then click on Save. Your menu board has been created successfully and will appear in the Media section. This is how it will appear on the screen. So go ahead and manage your sales and digital content from a unified platform.